Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Hyundai Kona with its key. First, ensure you have your key fob. If the fob battery is dead, you will need to access the hidden physical key. This key is crucial for manually unlocking the door and starting the engine in certain situations. We will cover both standard and emergency starting procedures to get you on your way quickly and safely. Let's get started with the basics. If your key fob isn't working, you'll need to manually unlock your Kona. Look for a small release button or switch on the side or back of your key fob. Press it to slide out the hidden metal key. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise to unlock the door. This method bypasses the electronic system, allowing you entry. Now for starting the engine if the fob battery is low. Get into the car and ensure all doors are closed. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, take your key fob and physically press it against the engine start/stop button. This allows the car to detect the fob signal even if its battery is weak. Hold it there and press the button to start the engine. It should fire right up. To avoid these situations, remember to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years. It's a small investment that saves a lot of hassle. Always keep a spare battery handy, perhaps in your glove compartment, for unexpected situations. This ensures you're never stranded. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.